Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What's going on, guys? It's been a hot minute, man, and I apologize. Life gets in the way. That's all I can say. Life gets in the way. Anyway, I'm gonna try to be a little bit more diligent because I got some projects I got to get done, and YouTubing and trying to make you guys happy is motivation for me. So today we got a little bit of a fun challenge. Well, as you see, I got some parts back here, some garbage. I gotta get rid of all this before the snow flies. It has snowing here in Utah a couple times so far, and I gotta get rid of it. So I had a couple friends that were gonna come over and help, and last minute they all ditched. But I still gotta get it gone. Doesn't matter what they do, but I gotta get it gone. So yeah, here we go. That's gonna be the challenge today. Challenge is gonna be get that crap gone. Oh, and I gotta get rid of that. I've got it that far. It's taking about 15 minutes to go from here all the way to there. I got some carts on the bottom. Cart right there, it slid off. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun one, guys. A fun one. Let's get this thing on the trailer. Let's see what we can do. Like again, one-man show today. Friends bailed out. And guys, check out what I got. Oh, Millie, say hi. Hi, Millie. 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 Say hi. Say hi. Oh yeah, good puppy. I got a Bernese Mountain Dog. Definitely a lover. She loves on everybody. But she's my helper today. So if you see her running around, that's why. Still got that project. Engine is at the machine shop. Getting board 40 over, I think. Got pistons and stuff on the way. Got Pop's Ranger in the garage. I have transmission and transfer case on the floor. It's a little messy in here, but that's what we're gonna do after, hopefully, we get done with this car. Over there, I don't know if you can see, through all the junk. I got the Saleen, and that's motivation. That's my motivation for YouTube. I need you guys to hold me accountable and help me get that thing done. I got headliner done, so I can put the interior in. And yeah, but first things first, gotta get rid of this junker and get the Saleen going, and this will probably be going at the same time. So it'll be a good time. Those are Domino's racks or casters they use for Domino's pizza. Anyway, I have a buddy that worked there who they were just gonna throw them out, so I thought, hey, they might work good. Got one there, got one on the other side, and ooh, bottomed out right there. As you guys can see, this is why this car is going in the garbage. So let's see what we can do. And yeah, like, subscribe. It's gonna be a wild ride for the next little bit. Anyway, here we go. probably slide it up the rails up until we get up there. Running race gas. Yeah. Smells good. Crazy stuff you see in the neighborhood you never expect. All right, we're almost there. Almost there. This is why. That whole thing collapsed. Ugh. Jumped the car. A little out of breath. Anyway, we got it on. Just popped in the background. He's running the winch. So here we go. The last little bit. Yeah. He's got to go a little bit more. She's on. Enough. Ugh. Wasn't too bad. No. Sucked not having wheels. It's good that it's light. The winner was these round wood pieces of wood I threw underneath the frame rail. I think that helped us just drag it right on. So, all right, one down. Got to move some more stuff that's over there. Start loading it up. So heck yeah. All right, so been a long day, getting dark already, but yeah, there we go. Here's got the trailer over here and it all cleaned up, so victory. And then the car down there I gotta take I don't know, next day or two, go get smashed, take it away. So anyway, I'm gonna start making some videos and having fun and getting held accountable by you guys. That's the plan. So Anyway, I'm calling it a day. Good to see you guys back. And yeah, let's rock it. Have a good one, guys. See ya.